Before we proceed to watch this video, we have a little request for you. According to YouTube, only 2% of those who watch our videos are subscribed to our channel. The other 98% unfortunately aren't subscribed. And this kind of bothers us so much and doesn't motivate us. So please help us kindly grow our channel by subscribing to our platform, Pinax News, as this will motivate us to bring you more entertainment gossip like this. Thanks.
Attempt to get embattled actor Jonathan Majors off or out from prison, over some alleged assault and harassment statements by a lady, a 30-year-old lady. His lawyers have actually come out to actually say that there is no proof that actually would want to convict the embattled actor. There's more to this. But before then, let me actually ask whether or not you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you haven't, take this opportunity to please like, subscribe, share for more content. Thank you very much. Now, over the weekend, a woman, a 30-year-old woman, alleged that Jonathan has actually assaulted her, and it led to a very serious misunderstanding. Even said that the actor has, allegedly assaulted her, and he was arrested and charged for misdemeanor and also attempted assault and harassment over the lady. Now, Jonathan Majors' lawyers were actually asked to prepare their documents to actually, counter the argument following the lady's allegations. But it turns out that upon several attempts then, the lawyers couldn't actually get bail for the actor. But finally, there's a new statement or a new chat that actually has come out to say that the lady who apparently filed the case or the lawsuit against the actor, the Creed actor, that's Jonathan Majors, has in a way, in a chat, said that she's actually withdrawing the case from court and wants the actor off prison. Now, this is a very dicey situation because first it was reported that the woman was actually the one, who was assaulted. Then we also brought you reports that it turns out not to be true, but it rather was the other way around, where the actor apparently was the one who was harassed and abused by, the lady. And so till now, there has been a back and forth about this issue. But there's a new release from, the actor's lawyers, that's Chaudhry, who is in charge of Jonathan Majors' lawsuit in court, and has actually brought some statement, a screenshot. Actually, we're going to put that on your screens for you to see, between the lady who says she's actually withdrawing all the charges and hopes to see Jonathan Majors off or out from prison soon. And so quite a very blurry, screenshot over there I took. But let's actually see if I can actually be able to read some to your hearing. So this was the conversation. This is the alleged text between the lawyers of Jonathan Majors and the lady in question, who apparently alleged that Jonathan Majors has assaulted her. And so it goes on to say that there's no note, just knowing what happened. And it goes on to say, so it was a question and answer thing, and this one responded saying, "Did you leave the keys? Goodbye." Then there was a response saying, "Please let me know you are okay when you get this." They assured me they won't be charged. They said they had to arrest you as protocol when they saw the injuries on me, and they knew we had a fight. It goes on to say, "I'm so angry that they did, and I'm sorry you are in this position. We'll make sure nothing happens about this." I told them it was my fault for trying to grab your phone. I only just got out of hospital. Just call me when you are out. I love you. And it goes on with a very lengthy conversation. And so myself, I'm confused because this woman apparently, it was reported that she is Jonathan Majors' girlfriend, and we also got information that it turns out that it was the other way around, that the lady was actually the one who assaulted Jonathan Majors, because she was actually peeping through the actor's phone when he was actually having a conversation with a different woman. And so myself, I'm so confused and asking a lot of questions. So what I just read was some of the conversation, Jonathan Majors is alleged, girlfriend had with the actor, and it turns out that she's actually doing everything possible to actually get the actor off prison. Now people have been reacting to this, and I would love to also hear from you. So let's actually get into some of the internet and see what people have been saying about this confused arrest by Jonathan Majors. Now Street Africa goes on to say 3 times. Okay, so hold on, let me actually get some comment from this. Okay, and so people have been talking over the weekend, and it looks like it's very unclear whether or not these allegations from the woman is actually true or not. And so Krisha says, when you choose to date a celebrity, you have to understand that assignment. If you bring attention, it will affect the cash cow, and your coins stop as well. It's too late to turn around and recant the story. So either put up with the BS or know your self-worth and step on. Parker says, so she did hit her, but it was her fault. Okay, Sharon goes on to say, so I'm trying to figure out where it says he didn't hit her. Michelle White says, if anyone read the article, it stated that the young lady involved did use physical force. And do we live in a time where it's guilty until proven innocent? Okay, I'll take some more comments. Thompson says, really convenient to provide these days after the altercation. It looks like it feels like pure manipulation. Plus, it really makes it appear like he did it now because she only says, I'll tell them it's my fault. Okay. I'm trying to understand what you said, Thompson. Jay goes on to say, yeah, he really needs better legal representation. This evidence has a counter impact to his client, and it's damaging. Tiffany goes on to say, I'm confused. Tiffany, I'm confused myself. And so we both share the same sentiment. So she says, I'm confused. This is classic DV. The woman never said he didn't assault her. She just said it was her fault, and she didn't want charges pressed. She never said, he didn't hit her or anything. Okay, I take the last few comments. Priscilla says, yeah, this actually makes him look even more guilty. Like he manipulated her into blaming herself. The prosecutor will likely still move forward with charges because it's not up to her. It's up to the prosecutor. Luckily, the prosecutor won't have a strong case of the victim if the victim is refusing to cooperate. And yes, it will likely get dismissed. Okay, so quite a lengthy comment over there from Priscilla. Last one coming from Charity says, how is this saying he didn't hit her? Her saying it's her fault cause he grabbed his phone means he did something to her. And so a lot of people are confused and have been asking questions. And so myself, I am even confused and want to even get more about this particular story. And so once we get the details of this particular story, Trans Daily Trends, we're actually going to bring you more because it's very dicey. One woman saying that, yes, Jonathan Thompson hit her. The next report we gather indicates that it was actually the other way around, which was actually the woman who actually hit Jonathan Majors. Now, his lawyers, that's Chaudhry, has also come out with a very interesting screenshot of a very intimate conversation they had, saying that the woman is actually on the way to actually, get all the charges, leveled against Jonathan Majors is off, from court. And so this is a very interesting development we hear. Now, for now, Jonathan Majors is still in police custody following this alleged assault, including misdemeanor of character and, harassment to the lady. Now, like I read in the comment section, lots of people have been confused and are saying that it is very, very interesting. This is the Trend here on Pinax News. Thanks for watching.
Before we proceed to watch this video, we have a little request for you. According to YouTube, only 2% of those who watch our videos are subscribed to our channel. The other 98% unfortunately aren't subscribed. And this kind of bothers us so much and doesn't motivate us. So please help us kindly grow our channel by subscribing to our platform, Pinax News, as this will motivate us to bring you more entertainment gossip like this. Thanks.